I've always felt that Mahatmas are like parents. They come only to do us good. Bhutanam devacharitam dukkhaya cha sukhaya cha sukhaya iva hi sadhunam twadrisham achyutatmanam. Don't you remember the words of the Gita? The Lord says, Arjuna, you can't get jnana everywhere. You have to get jnana from the jnani. Tatvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Only when you bow down to them and repeatedly ask with great fervor. You can't say, I want the Ramayana, I want the Bhagavatam, I want the Gita. Please, can I have the Bhagavatam? Can I have the Ramayana? Can I have some Atma Jnana? Can I have Mokshapatha? This is the fervor with which we ask the great bhaktas. And he is telling the activities of the demigods, the Deva Charitam, Dukkhaya cha Sukhaya cha. Sometimes they give us Sukha, sometimes they give us Dukkha. But where saints are concerned, they want only to give Sukha. The Devatas, if you displease them, they will punish you. If you please them, they'll give you what you want. So Sukhaya cha Dukhaya cha. Whereas Sukhaya iva hi sadhunam twadrisham achyutatmanam. All that you do is only for the good of the people, for the happiness of the people, because you people are dedicated to the Lord. Achyutatmana. Your Atma is Achyuta. I'm reminded, as Prabhupada Ji Maharaj is reminded, of the Kapilopadesha, Titikshavaha, Karunikaha, Suhrudas Sarvadehinam, Ajata Shatrava, Shanta Sadhava, Sadhubhushanaha. Mother Devahuti is told by Kapila, mother, be associated with sadhus. And who is a sadhu? He who hates nobody. He who wants to do good to everybody. He who is kind to everybody. Suhrudas Sarvadehinam, Ajata Shatravaha. They don't hate anybody, nobody hates them. And that is why Shanta. They are all the time peaceful. Bhajantiye yatha devan, deva api tathaivatan. Now you worship a demigod, then the demigod responds to you. Chayeva karma sachivaha. They are following karma. You do a good karma, you get karma phala, good karma phala. You do bad karma, you get bad karma phala. But sadhavu dinavatsalaha. The sadhus are those who care for the wretched people, the poor people, the unfortunate people, the sad people. Sadhavu dinavatsalaha. There is no compassion in the demigods. The demigods work like a computer, yes, no, that is all. If you don't have plus points, you don't get anything. If you have minus points, you don't get anything. You get plus points, you get everything. If you have minus points, you don't get anything. Whereas sadhavu dinavatsalaha, they are kind to everyone. Brahman tathapi pruchyamu dharman bhagavatantava. This is called Bhagavata Dharma chapters. These chapters, which I am now taking up for consideration, are called Bhagavata Dharma. Bhagavata means bhaktas. Bhagavatanam Puranam Bhagavatam. The entire Bhagavata is not about God. It is about God's bhaktas, rich in bhakti. Deva hoina bhikari pandhariche var kari. Pandhariche var kari. Pandhariche var kari. Tukaram wanted to be a beggar in the streets of Pandharpur. That is how it is. They are the ones who want to know about Bhagavata Dharma. Brahman tatapi prichyamo dharman bhagavatan stava yan shrutva shraddhaya martyo muchyate sarvato bhayat. All of us, whether we like it or not, whether we acknowledge it or not, are afraid of something, afraid of the end, afraid of what is liberation, afraid of what is death, afraid of what the future holds for us in store. Somewhere we are afraid. We may look fearless, but heart of hearts, in those introspective moments, we are afraid. Sarvato bhayat. In such a condition, we can only ask the Lord to help us through these great bhaktas. A very nice shloka from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is given by Prabhupada ji. I want you to listen to it with care. How should a person be? Trinat api sunichena, taror api sahishnuna, amanina manadena, kirtaniya sada harihi. How should man be when he thinks of the Lord, sings of the Lord? Trinat api sunichena. He should be lower than a blade of grass. Can you imagine? Trinatapi suniche. The grass bends down when the wind blows, when the rain falls, it bends down. It is flat on the ground. That is how our ego should be. Trinat api sunichena. And how should it be? Taror api sahishnuna. Whenever it rains, I don't know why, but this comes to my mind. When it rains and there's a storm, I look out. I look at the tall trees that are standing. How much they bear, how much they bear. When it is hot, they bear the heat. When it is windy, they bear the winds. When it is raining and stormy, they bear the rain and the storm. Sahishnuna. There is so much of tolerance in them. Whether it is Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha, they bear everything. That is how man should be. Amanina, Manadena. How should he be? He should be without pride. Amanina, Manadena, devoid of all pride and ready to offer respect to others. Kirtaniya Sadaharihi. Such a person alone should chant the name of the Lord. You can imagine. To chant the name of the Lord, you need such a qualification. Tall order, sir. Tall order. Very tall order. But still, we'll try to rise to the expectations of the Mahatmas. Aham kila puranantam prajartho bhuvi muktidam apujayam namokshaya mohito devamayayam. This is an interesting point. I would not agree with Vasudeva for what he's saying. In one of his births, he was Sutapa and Devaki was Prishni Devi. They prayed to the Lord and they said, we want the Lord as our son. And he says, I didn't ask for moksha. What more do you want? What more do you want? Tam adbhutam balakam ambujekshanam chaturbhujam shankagadaryudayudam Srivatsalakshmam galashobhikaustavam pitambaram sandrapayoda saubhagam maharha vaidurya kirita kundala tusha parishvakta sahastra kuntalam uddama kanchangada kankanadivihi viroshamanam Vasudeva Ikshata. Vasudeva was the first one to see this dazzling beauty of the Lord. And yet he says, I should have asked for moksha. I wouldn't ask for moksha. I wouldn't. What is moksha compared to this lovely ecstasy of having the Lord in your hands? What more do you want? Now he has met a Mahatma. So now he says, Swami, I want education into moksha. I want that. Apujayam na mokshaya. The Lord did not allow me Deva Maya. It was a Deva Maya. And my eyes were clouded. I asked for the Lord as a son. I could have asked him for moksha even then. I did not ask. Shukadeva says, Rajan evam krita prashno vasudevena dhimata pritastamaha devarshihi harer samsmarito gunaihi. This is a point which I really admired as I was revising the text this afternoon. When somebody asks you about the Lord, like you people, you're willing to listen to me. Because you're willing to listen to me, I am reminded of the Lord. Samsmarito. The gunas of the Lord come back to my mind. Under compulsion, very loving compulsion, you make me think of the Lord and talk about him. So he says, I'm happy you gave me a chance to think about the Lord. I'm happy you gave me a chance to speak about the Lord. Samyak etat vyavasitam bhavata sattvadarshava yat prichase bhagavatam dharman tvam vishwabhavanam. Vishwabhavanam. Those words, those gunas of the Lord which are purifying the entire world. You're asking about those Bhagavata dharmas. How should you follow the Bhagavata dharma form of life? It's a way of life, another art of living, the art of Bhagavata living. This is what is being preached. your mind is well set. Your mind is at a serene level. I told you earlier, only when you have a serene mind, you can ask serene questions. Parikshit has been asking, what should a dying man do? What is the way it should be? What's the way to be followed? And when he comes to the 10th canto, he says, I want Krishna Katha. Kathito Vamshavistaro. You're told about everybody else. I want exclusive Krishna Katha. And Shukadeva says, Samyak Vyavasita Buddhi, Tava Rajarshi Sattamaha. Your buddhi is Vyavasthita. All of us have a Vyavasthita Chitta. But these 45 minutes, we have Vyavasthita Chitta. There is no doubt. You and I. Maybe after 7:45, our mind is wandering. Doesn't matter. 45 minutes it has withstood all this wandering, this wander thirst. No, we are happy. We are thankful to it. I thank the mind for all its good points. No? Only then you can pamper it. You go on scolding it, then it becomes a mischievous child. A naughty child, if he behaves well on one day, please praise him. What a good boy you are. At least those 24 hours is good. Similarly, our mind for these 45 minutes is good. There is no doubt. You don't have bad thoughts. I don't have bad thoughts. We don't hurt. You don't hurt anybody. I don't hurt anybody. You are not proud. I am not proud. Lovely. This is called tapasya. 45 minutes tapasya. Every day we should clap for ourselves. Self-esteem. Self-esteem. My dear listeners, samyak vyavasitam, samyak etat vyavasitam bhavata sattvadarshava. You have been really controlling your mind, sir. Variyan eshate prashna krito lokahitam nripa. This is the answer that Shukadeva gave in the second chapter, beginning. Prashna ki prasamsa karte hue, prashna ka jawab dete hain. I say in the Bhagavata when I speak in Hindi. What a lovely question you ask. What should a dying man do? What should a dying man remember? What should a dying man think of? What should a dying man give up? What should he attain? That is a question, not for yourself, but a question which has eternal pertinence, universal relevance. Now, that is how you have asked. Bhagavata Dharma is for everybody. Naraji says for everybody. Shruto, Anupatito, Dhyata, Adrito va anumoditaha sadhya punati saddharmo deva vishwadruhopiha. My dear listeners, these are the ways to propitiate the Lord. Shruto, you heard of the Bhagavata Dharma. Anupatito, and then you chant it. Dhyata, contemplate. Adrito, faithfully you accept it. Anumodita, accept it and praise it and put it in action. Sadhya, immediately. Punati, purifies. Saddharmo, that pure devotional service. Deva, Vishwadruho, Piya. Even those who hate the demigods, even they will be purified. All other living beings can be immediately purified. Immediately purified. This is the way to live. And that is why one of my disciples was telling me this morning, you are practicing what you preach. I was happy because this is what I want to do. Talk of the Lord, think of the Lord, sing His glory. The other day, Swami of Mudalani said, she will dance if you want her to dance. I wish I could dance now. My dear listeners, that is what you Machitta, Madgata Prana, Bodhayanta, Parasparam, Kathayantascha Mam Nityam, Tushyanti Charamanti Cha. It's a lovely life. It's a lovely life where you have Shruta, Anupatita, Dhyata, Adrita, Anumodita, Sadhya Punati. Not tomorrow, day after. Immediately we are purified. Don't need sanitizers, my dear listeners. We don't need sanitizers. We are purified then and there. That minute, the moment you say Krishna, that is enough. Krishna bolo bhaiya, to chale jivan naiya. Krishna bolo bhaiya, to chale jivan naiya. नहीं तो फंस जाओगे बीच मझधार में इस संसार में. कृष्ण बोलो भैया तो चले जीवन नैया. कृष्ण बोलो आज और कृष्ण बोलो कल, कृष्ण भर देगा जीवन का हर एक पल। कृष्ण बोलो आज और कृष्ण बोलो कल, कृष्ण भर देगा जीवन का हर एक पल। कृष्ण बोलो भैया तो चले जीवन नैया, कृष्ण बोलो भैया तो चले जीवन नैया। त्वया परम कल्याण पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तनः स्मारितो भगवान् अद्य देवो नारायणो मम। What struck me as very important right now, this moment I got this thought, is the beautiful bonding between the speaker and the listener. It's a beautiful bonding between the speaker and the listener. If there was no speaker, there would be no listener. If there was no listener, there would be no speaker. Their appellation, their names depend on each other. I can't be called a speaker if you are not there. And you can't be called a listener unless I am there. You have to listen to something, I have to speak to someone. Look at the gratitude that Shukadeva expresses. Because of you, I'm reminded of Narayana. Naradji is telling the great King Vasudeva, because of you, I am reminded. Tvaya Paramakalyana Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. Who is the Lord? To listen to him is Punya. To think of him is Punya. To talk about him is Punya. Punya Shravana, Punya Kirtana. I always say Punya Shravana, Kirtana, Darshana, Sparsha. Everything is Punya about him. Smarito Bhagavan Adya. You reminded me of the Lord. You reminded me of the Lord. Devo Narayano Mama. Smarito Bhagavan Adya. Today you gave me an opportunity to remember the Lord. You are the reminder. Many times I used to tell you, we preachers are reminders. I think you are reminders for us. You remind us of the Lord. You make us think deeply because you listen to only 45 minutes. We have to think of the Lord right from the morning, right from the time we decide what to speak in the evening. Atrapi udaharan harantim itihasam puratanam arshabhanam cha samvadam videhasya mahatmanaha. I'm going to tell you a historic conversation between the great soul called Videha and the sons of Rishabha. You remember Rishabhadeva? Rishabhadeva in the Panchamaskanda of the Bhagavata. You had Priyavrata. After Priyavrata, you had Agnidra. After Agnidra, you had Nimi. After Nimi, you had Rishabhadeva. Rishabhadeva had 9 sons who became yogis. They are the ones. Priyavrato nama suto mano swayambhuvasya tasya agnidraha tato nabhi rishabhas tatastu smritaha. That is the parampara I explained. After that, in that parampara, tesham vai bharato jeshtu. There was a king called Bharata, born to Rishabdeva. Narayana Parayana Vikhyatam Varshametat Yannamna Bharatamadbhutam. Our country, Ajanabha Varsha as it was called, came to be named as Bharata Varsha because of this great man called Bharata. Sabhukta Bhogam Tyaktva Imam Nirgatas Tapasa Harim Upasinas Tad Padavim Lebhe Vai Janmabhistribihi. You remember he had 3 Janmas? He had 3 Janmas. One was the Dvarta Janma, one was the deer Janma, the other was Jadabharata Janma. 3 Janmas he had. This is how he attained moksha. 9 of the remaining sons of Rishabhadeva became the rulers of 9 islands of the Bharatavarsha. And they were ruling very well. Navabhavan, Mahabhaga, Munayo, Khyartasham Sinaha. These great men, the 9 remaining sons of Rishabha, were great fortunate sages also. Their names are enumerated by Shukadeva here: Kavi, Havi, Antariksha, Prabuddha, Pipalayana, Avirhotra, Drumila, Chamasa, Karabhajana. They are the 9 yogis whose definition of Bhagavata Dharma we are going to listen to now. These liberated souls, they are yogins, and the yogis can go anywhere. The yogis can be seen anywhere. You read the autobiography for Yogi. The first time I read the autobiography of Yogi, I couldn't sleep for several nights. I couldn't sleep. I didn't know that there were so many liberated souls all around the place. Suddenly, in an open place, you find the presence of someone. You don't know who it is, but somebody is there. Some great soul has come into your room, into your balcony, into your garden. You don't know where. As you're traveling along the Himalayas, suddenly you have fragrance about you. That is some yogi who is traveling. It could be anywhere. Any Mahatma can find a manifestation anywhere. These are the great yogis who are everywhere. These are the ones who are brilliant, and these are the ones who are blessing the world wherever they go, says the Bhagavata Mahapurana. After which we come to know Videha, the king Nimi, is asking, Manye Bhagavata Sakshat Parshadanvo Madhudvishaha Vishnur Bhutani Lokanam Pavanaya Charantiham. The king was very happy. This great man called King Nimi, N-I-M-I, Nimi. This is a story within a story. He comes to know that these 9 sons of the great Lord have come and they are there to advise him. He's so happy. Papracha paramapritaha prashraya vanato nripa. He is bowing down to them and saying, you are great. You are great ones. Manye bhagavata sakshat parshadanvo madhudvishaha. I feel that you are like Jaya Vijaya, living close to the Lord himself. Vishnur bhutani lokanam pavanaya charantihi. You come because you want to purify the world. And then comes a very quotable quote of the Bhagavata. Durlabho manusho deho dehinam kshanabhanguraha tatrapi durlabham manye vaikuntha priyadarshanam. I have never come across a shloka which is dearer to me than this. It is difficult to be born as a human being. Prahlada, Durlabham Manusham Janma, Tadapi Adruvam Arthadam. That was a different way of looking at it. Durlabho Manusho Deho. Very difficult to get this human body. Dehinam Kshanabhanguraha. And how is this? However long you live, only this morning I wrote in the message, give while you live. There is no giving thereafter. Please remember that. Only when we are alive, we can give. However long we live, our life is short in the context of eternity, I wrote. In the context of eternity, life is, even if you live for 100 years, 100 is nothing compared to eternity. Dehinam kshanabhanguraha. It is a temporary life, small little life. More durlabha is seeing the great men of the Lord. Tatravi durlabham manye vaikuntha priyadarshanam. What a lovely way of putting the Vaishnavas, the great bhaktas of Narayana. If you see them, it is more durlabha. Durlabho manusho deho dehinam kshanabhanguraha tatrapi durlabham manye vaikuntha priyadarshanam. If you meet a bhakta, it is rarer than that. It is rarer than that, my dear listeners. It is rarer than that. According to a great saint, Prabhupada quotes, the best of the human body is a great attainment and may be compared to a boat. The guru is the expert captain for the boat. And I have sent favorable winds called the Vedas. Thus, I have given all facilities for crossing over the ocean of material existence. Any human being who has achieved these excellent facilities of human life but does not cross over the material ocean is considered the killer of his soul. Drideham Adyam Sulabham Sudurlabham Plavam Sukalpam Gurukarnadharam Mayanukulena Nabhaswaretitam Puman Bhavatbhim Nataretsa Atmaha. He is the killer of his soul. Atmaha. He is killing his soul. The beautiful comparison of his body being a boat and the Guru being the boatman. They are the ones who take us across the ocean of life. Naiya laga de paar, Keshave. And look at the winds that are blowing. It is not only the boatman who what matters, the wind matters. The direction of the wind matters. And the direction of the wind is the scriptures, the Vedas and the Vedanta that the Lord has given. Ata atyantikam kshemam prichyamo bhavato anagha samsare asmin kshanardhopi satsanga kshevadir nirnam. This is the praise bestowed on satsanga, my dear listeners. Every time I used to wonder, why do we like these 45 minutes? Of course, we have Bhagavatas every now and then sponsored by generous souls. I understand. But this 45 minutes Bhagavatam is keeping us alive through this pandemic. You and me, you may not acknowledge it as eloquently and passionately as I do, but I'm sure you understand in your heart of hearts that this is a great experience, not because I'm speaking, because the subject is great. It doesn't matter to which gold shop you go. Gold is gold. You understand? I'm one of the shops. That's all. It doesn't matter who speaks about the Lord. What matters is these few hours and minutes spent in the name of the Lord, in the thought of the Lord. Samsare asmin shanardhopi satsanga shevadhindranam. This satsanga, even for half a moment, is the greatest treasure of mankind. What a compliment to satsanga. No? What a compliment to satsanga. Because why? Analyze. What does satsanga do? It makes you forget yourself. The speaker, listener alike. You are not receiving calls. My phone is on silent. I'm happy. Silent mode. First thing that I asked my brothers here, my children, please, first, silent the phone. We have to put it on silent. That means ego. No communication with the world. That is self-sapasya. Second, focus. Manana, dhyana. And what are you focusing on? Not on the share market as you see the prices rising and falling. No, you are focusing on the master of the world. The focus that is needed in the world, which we don't generally have time to do. I compel you and you compel me. So we are beholden to each other. I am grateful to you. You are grateful to me that these 45 minutes we are with Krishna. This is Krishna Graha Grahitatma. All of us are not under Rahu, Ketu, Shani and Shukra, whoever it is. We are under the Krishna Graha. That is why Samsare asmin kshanardhopi satsanga shevadhirnam. It is a priceless treasure. This kshanarda, half a second that is spent. Dharman bhagavatan bruta yaditna shrutaye kshamam yai prasanna prapannaya dasyati atmanamapi ajaham. I'm reminded of the wife of Sudama telling Sudama, go to the Lord, who is the husband of Lakshmi, Nanu Brahman Bhagavataha Sakha Sakshat Shriyapatihi. He's a little hurt. You think I'm a mercenary woman? You think I'm commercial? You want me to ask for money? She says, no, Swami, no. Smarataha padakamalam atmanamapi yakshati. You think of him, he'll give himself to you. What more do you want? If you have Krishna with you, what more do you want? Yai prasannaha prapannaya, he who does prapatti, sharanagati to him, dasyati atmanam api ajaha. Ajaha means Krishna, Narayana. Narayana gives himself to you. You understand? We have Krishna with us today because we are doing satsanga. The rest of the katha will follow tomorrow. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutar, Dhruvane Tirmatir Mama. Narayana 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 Bolo Narayana 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 Krishna Narayan Narayana 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 Satya Narayan Narayana Narayana Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. Let me first thank those patrons who have already started contributing to this, the completion of our Annakshetra project. I told you we are planning to feed elders, old people who are neglected by their family in the slums, feeding mothers, pregnant women, and small children who don't go to school so they don't get food. We are planning 5,000 people per day. It is a tall order, but with the Lord's grace, even 10,000 is not impossible. I was very happy when my brother Vishnathji sent a message. I'm sure this dream will be achieved, he said. And I was very happy that Gajaka and he looked at it so positively. Some may call me mad. It doesn't matter. I was born mad, I will live mad, and I'll die mad. And don't worry. Because I want to achieve something in the Lord's service. So those of you who are willing will kindly, generously donate 1 lakh and above whatever you can. The names of those whom you desire to be reflected in the donors list will be reflected in the office room of the Annakshetra. It is nearing completion. The last few bills have to be paid. The shortfall is 65 lakhs, I told you. Thank you. God's grace, we meet tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much.
Naam, Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai
Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Amazing how you picked up the message from the deep.
Amma, Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you.